Your 3D metal printed holoses are made by laying down one layer of stainless steel powder after another with a binder that holds the powder together. It then goes into a curing oven, and then the parts are vacuumed and removed from the stainless steel powder, which you'll see here, making sure that the part is now free. And then it goes into a crucible for the bronze infiltration. It goes into a furnace now, and once it's in the furnace, it gets heated up where the binder is burned out, and as the bronze liquefies, it begins to wick into all of the spaces left when the binder was removed. Watch this amazing alchemy as the bronze enters into the parts. Here would be the HOLOS amulets, each one individually formed in a composite metal, 60% stainless steel, 40% bronze. At which point it then gets removed from the crucible, and the finished parts are then cut away from the runners, and then they go through an extensive sanding process.